When packing for a trip, it's important to consider the destination, duration, and purpose of your travel. However, some essential items that you should carry include travel documents. These include your passport, visa, ID cards, travel insurance, and any other necessary documents. Money and cards. Carry cash, credit, debit cards, and traveler's checks as you may need them at different places. Clothing and footwear. Depending on your destination and weather, pack comfortable clothes, shoes, and outerwear. It's a good idea to pack versatile clothes that can be dressed up or down, and clothing that can be layered. Toiletries. Carry toiletries such as toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and sunscreen. It's also recommended to pack any medications you may need, as well as insect repellent and hand sanitizer. Electronic devices. Carry your phone, camera, chargers, and any other electronic devices that you'll need. Don't forget to pack headphones and power banks. Travel accessories. These include a backpack, luggage, travel pillow, eye mask, and earplugs. Depending on the purpose of your trip, you may also need travel guides, maps, and language translators. Entertainment. Bring books, magazines, or an e-reader to keep yourself entertained during long flights or downtime. Remember to pack light and avoid unnecessary items. Consider packing a day bag for day trips and excursions. Lastly, make sure to double-check your packing list before heading out on your trip.